guys, I'm Steph, and this is my new channel, Discovering Nature TV. And mainly what I want to accomplish with this channel is giving you all the information that you would want to know or would need to know about national parks, the environment, nature in general, wildlife. I'm studying wildlife conservation right now in college, so I have a great interest for this stuff, and I'm very, very excited to share with you all the information that I know and hopefully learning from you guys. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to have national park videos in here. My first video of the national park should be somewhere around the time frame of May, and it's going to be about Yosemite National Park. So I just went over there for spring break, so I have lots of pics to show you and information. I also have a vid that should be posted already about Earth Day. And I'm going to be doing a video about Easter as well, just a little fun one, wishing you guys a happy Easter. But yeah, just basically about nature, maybe book reviews, about wildlife within that field. But if you have any more suggestions or anything that you want me to talk about, please feel free and, leave something in the comments below. But yeah, basically my channel is just going to be about nature and national parks. I'm not going to give everything away right now because I want you guys to be, a little surprised. But yeah, my name is Steph. I'm a wildlife conservation student in Massachusetts. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. But other than that, I'm super excited for this channel, and I'm thinking it's going to be awesome. So thanks guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.